Hello friends, today we will see the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation can be used for most widely linear relationship between the two variables. Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation can be denoted by R. This R can be calculated by using the formula R is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, divided by under root of n into summation x square minus summation x bracket square into under root of n into summation y square minus summation y bracket square. Let us see the example of Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Calculate the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation from the following data: demand in tons and corresponding supply in tons. To calculate the R in Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, the above data can be filled in the table. To calculate the summation x, summation my, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. X 5, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17, 21. Y 8, 7, 10, 13, 11, 17, 20, 25. X square 5 square is equal to 25. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 144. 15 square is equal to 225. 17 square is equal to 289. 21 square is equal to 441. And y square is equal to same as x square. 8 square is equal to 64. 7 square is equal to 49. 10 square is equal to 100. 13 square is equal to 169. 11 square is equal to 121. 17 square is equal to 289. 20 square is equal to 400. And 25 square is equal to 625. The next column is the x and y multiplication of column xy column. 5 into 8 40, 8 into 7 56, 9 into 10 90, 11 into 13 143, 12 into 11 132, 15 into 17 255, 17 into 20 314, 21 into 25 525. Let us calculate the summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, and summation xy. Then summation x is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 21 is equal to 98. Therefore, summation x is equal to 98. Y is equal to y 8 plus 7 plus 11 13 plus 11 plus 17 plus 20 plus 25 summation is equal to 111. Then therefore summation y is equal to 111. X square. Summation x square is equal to 1319. Summation y square is equal to 1817. Summation xy is equal to 1581. Then r is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, divided by under root of n into summation x square minus summation x square into under root of n into summation y square minus summation y bracket square. N is equal to total number of observation. N is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And summation xy is equal to 1581 minus summation x 98 into 111, divided by under root of n into summation x square. Summation x n into 8 into 1390 minus summation x square is equal to 98 square into under root of n. Summation n into summation y square minus summation y bracket square. N is equal to 8. 8 into 1817 minus 111 square. Then calculate the R. 8 into 1581 is equal to 126.48 minus 98 into 111 is equal to 10,878 minus 8 into 1,390 minus 98 square is equal to 11,120 minus 9,604 into 40,536 minus 12,321. R is equal to subtract the 12,648 minus 10,878 is equal to 1,770. 1,770 divided by 11,120 minus 9,604 is equal to 1,516 into 14,536 minus 12,321 is equal to 2,215. R is equal to 1,770 divided by multiplication of 1,560 into 2,250 is equal to 3357940 is equal to find out the square root of 1,007 under root of is equal to 770 divided by 1,832 minus 4683, then 1,770 divided by 1,832.4683 is equal to 0.9659.